welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash, and today's video is going to be a Boxy Charm video. But before I jump into that, I want to apologize for my absence on the internet. Life stuff just gets in the way, and I haven't had that much time to focus on creating videos for YouTube, and I'm not sure how well that's going to happen in the future. For those of you who may know, I do work a retail job, and as we all know, the last 3 months-ish of the year are hell, so there's that. But I wanted to continue to at least do Boxy Charm videos. I really want to try to do more videos in the coming weeks, but I just have to figure out a schedule. I also had some bad news at the dentist today, so I have emergency extractions and root canals coming up in the next week, so that's fun. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the Boxy Charm unboxing. So I actually received this a couple days ago, and I just have never opened it because I like to be surprised, and I don't remember what the theme is. Something about glitz, glamour, maybe. But here we go. Alright, so I guess the theme is it's giving giftable glam. Interesting. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in here, and let's just hop right into it. Alright, so first up is the Over Cosmetics Face It Midi Palette. This retails for $35, and it comes with a highlight, a bronzer, and a bronzer. So it comes with the matte bronzer, a highlighter, and a shimmery bronzer. This is one of their most famous highlighters, I think, Rodeo Drive. And then this shade is Pacifica, and this one is San Fran. I have not used Ofra in the longest time. I think I actually got rid of, I think I got rid of all my Ofra products. So I don't hate this. I don't love it either. I don't think these shades will work for me. I know Rodeo Drive itself is like way too dark on me, and I don't think the bronzers are gonna work for me. They just look way too dark. So I will probably set this to the side for a giveaway in the future. So next up is the Amina Macaron Lip Scrub. I probably am butchering that completely, but this retails for $18, and it has like a bakery scent. Not something that I typically like. I mean, I love like bakery scents, but it's not something that I like in this. But it's not bad. I'm always interested to try out lip scrubs because my lips need it. Obviously, I'm not wearing anything on my lips right now because it's been a day, but it is what it is. So yeah, I will definitely be giving this a shot. And next up is the Belle in Argent Reframing Brow Gel. This is a clear brow gel from a brand I have no idea about, but first off, the packaging, super long. I'm used to brow gel being like that big, but it has a small spoolie on the end, so I'm excited about that, and I'm always in the market for a good brow gel. Still haven't found a clear one that I just absolutely love. And next up is the Sophia and Mabel Lip Slick Fruit Lip Oil. I have it in the shade Yuzu, and it just seems like a normal lip oil. It's a very pale color, which I prefer in lip oils, and it has just a flat doe foot, nothing, you know, that exciting. But I'll give it a shot. Like I said, always interested in trying lip products, so this is cool. And this retails for $22, and the brow gel that I just mentioned retails for $19. And the last item in here is insane. It is a Soleil hair tool. It's a mini heat brush, and it retails for $150. Like, holy hell, that's a lot. I've never heard of this brand. I've never tried a heated brush before, unless you count my Dyson, but we're not going to talk about how I own a Dyson. Just looks like this. I am not sure how I feel about it. It does not seem like it has a, you know, heat setting. It says it's safe for all hair types, but obviously my hair is very color treated, obviously, so I'm not sure how much use I'm going to get out of this currently. Maybe when I go back to a more natural color, I'll give it a try, but I'm intrigued. Alright, so overall, I'd say I give this box a 7 out of 10. I'm not wowed by it completely, but I'm not that disappointed with it, and I will pop right up here the total amount that is in this box, and over here is how much you pay for the monthly base box. I know the price has gone up over the years. I know back in the day when I first got Boxy Charm, it was only $20 a month, and now I think it's like $28, so you know, inflation. But yeah, if you're interested in signing up for Boxy Charm, I'll have a link down below. I believe it is an affiliate link, so I get credit if you use it. You don't have to, but I greatly appreciate it. Again, I want to apologize for my absence on YouTube. I can't promise when my next video is going to come out, but hopefully, fingers crossed, it's soon. I just need to get a set schedule figured out, and then we can move forward and create, you know, all the content, because I love creating content. I'm so tired all the time. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. You can follow me over on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.